The next area on the settings is My Profile, and this actually has quite a bit of stuff on it. You'll want to go ahead and upload your picture, and again, it tells you right here, 512 by 512 pixels, no bigger than 2.5 megabytes, so at least that size. And again, this picture gets put in various different places throughout the system. I won't go over all the obvious stuff. Here you can choose your calendar if you've got more than one calendar set up. Your preferred calendar goes here. Here's where you set your email signature. Put anything you want in here, and this is going to get attached to your emails. They have recently put calendar settings in here, so we'll go over a few of these, and then in the calendars video, we'll get into more detail. But it's telling you which calendar is connected, and this would be your Google Calendar. And again, it's got some linked calendar syncing. You want the appointments. For me, I have a separate calendar within my Google Calendar called Appointments, and that is the one that I want synced. Conflict calendars are ones that you want it to look at to be sure that it's not over scheduling or creating 2 appointments at one time. Here you can set your user availability, all of this. And again, we'll go over this in more detail with the calendars settings. The other thing I wanted to point out here, actually 2 things. Here's where you would change your password if you don't like the computer-generated one that was sent to you. Here's where you can go ahead and reset your password. But also notice there is a tab at the top called Notifications. This is pretty important. It took me a while to find it, but you want to go ahead and look at these. And when it says in-app, that would be a notification in your app on the phone, and they do have an app. If you haven't downloaded it, it is free within the systems. Just type in GoHighLevel, HighLevel, or Lead Connector. It'll be one of those 3. Email means you get sent an email, and SMS, you're sent a text. So if you want to be notified in any of these places for all of these various different things, check them here. Otherwise, you're not going to get your notifications. And it is somewhat important that you receive the notifications, especially for me. I live and die by my email. So I want to go ahead and check email on these and then click save at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and do that because I want an email whenever something is sent to me. And I'll be honest, I hate text messages, so I don't choose text messages for anything. And it's that simple. So in our next video, we're going to go over how to add your staff if you want other people to help you manage your GoHighLevel account.